it's quite common for people to leave money in their wills. That's a time when you no longer need your own money. And so it's a time when you can leave to a cause that's of interest to you. So you can leave a legacy behind. You can show your family that you are philanthropic, and leave something in the community to say that, I was here.
Yeah.
I often think of wills as your kind of love letter on the way out of this world. So you may wish to leave to something that is going to do good even after you're gone.
Now, does the naming of the charity in your will give that charity any legal recourse over your estate?
Well, they are a beneficiary, so any beneficiary has legal rights in an estate, and so they have a right to look at how they're going to get their gift. If you give them a percentage, they have a lot of rights because they have a right to see what happens with all of the assets in your estate.
Okay.
So if you just give them a certain amount, like maybe $10,000, then their only right is to make sure that that gift eventually comes to them.
What if you want to make changes to your will to add a charity or to delete a charity, or can you do that yourself, or do you have to hire a lawyer and, change your will?
So, of course, you can always do your own legal work. You can always do your own will. Not entirely recommended because we don't want to have problems after you die and end up in court. So we do recommend that you use a lawyer to either make a will or change your will so that the gift is properly set out. If you're going to make a donation, talk to your family. You should talk to your family about your wishes so they know what's coming. Mm-hmm. That's probably the most important thing. But if there is going to be a dispute, of course, it delays things. It's very expensive to have estate litigation. So unfortunately, in the case of the Rotary and the widow, now lots of money is being spent on legal fees as opposed to money going to charities and doing good work. So that's always unfortunate. So it's best to speak to the charity, speak to a lawyer, get a good will done, speak to your family. So hopefully the will be upheld in the end.